On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make up to $7,000 per week on Clickbank as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is very easy, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. As you can see on your screen, these are my results. You can see in the last 7 days, I made over $7,000. You can see it right here. So what you need to do is that you have to follow all the steps in this video so that you can be able to get results like this. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a Clickbank account. As you can see, this is my Clickbank account, but if Clickbank is not allowed in your country, what you need to do is that you have to search for Digital24. Once you search for Digital24, you can create an account and then begin to promote products using the method that I'm about to show you. Now, once you have an account, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on Affiliate Marketplace. Once you click on it, you are going to get a lot of different products that you can promote to make money. As you can see on the marketplace, they have products in different categories that you can promote to make money. You can see a whole lot of different categories of products that you can promote on Clickbank to make money from home. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting products under health and fitness. So click right here, health and fitness. Health and fitness is one of the evergreen niche that you can select and promote products. All the time people buy weight loss products, people buy health products. So if you want, you can promote health and fitness products. As you can see, there are a lot of them with high payout. You can see a whole lot of different products that you can promote under health and fitness. You can see a whole lot of them. So just select the one that you want and then begin to promote it. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here. It is popular. It is one of the products that you can easily get a sale, and you can see the commission rate is high, so you can promote a product like this. To promote the product, what you need to do is that you have to click right here, promote. Once you click on it, enter your affiliate nickname. Once you enter your affiliate nickname, click on continue. Once you click on it, you can be able to get your affiliate link. You can see this is my affiliate link. So you have to get people to click on this link and then purchase the product. Once you get people to click on this link and then purchase the product, you are going to be earning $183.49 per every sale that you get. Now the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on your affiliate link. A traffic source is any platform where you can get people to click on your link. So if you want, you can use Facebook, you can use Instagram, any way that you can use to get people to click on your link. That is your traffic source. There are paid traffic source and there are free traffic source. So any of them that you want, you can use. In this case, we are going to be using free traffic source. So you can use the free traffic source to get money. Once you get the money, you can use paid traffic so that you can increase the number of sales that you get. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be using X. X is one of the best social media platforms that you can use to promote your affiliate link, because you can be able to promote your affiliate link on X without getting your link. But on other platforms, your affiliate link can be banned when you are promoting it. On X, the case is different. You can promote your affiliate links for free without paying for anything. You don't even need a lot of followers. What you need to do is that you have to post consistently so that you can be able to reach a lot of people. Now, what you need to do is that you have to write a post. You can use AI, you can write a post by yourself. Just make sure that you keep on posting so that you can get a lot of people. In this case, I'm going to use AI to write the post for me. So all that you need to do is that you have to write a prompt so that AI can write the post for you. There are many AI tools available that you can use to write an X post. You can use DeepSeek, you can use ChatGPT, any of the platforms that you want, just use it to write your post. So let me write my prompt right here. You can write a prompt like this. Once you write the prompt, just click on send so that the AI will write the post for you. It's just going to write a simple post. You can see it is writing the post. You can see everything. You can see this is the post. Now once you have your post, the next step is that you have to highlight and copy your post, highlight and copy it, highlight and copy your post, highlight and copy it, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you have to come back on X and then click on post. Once you click on it, you can paste your text here. You can see that is more than required. So you can see it is more than required. We have to delete some part of it if you are using the free version. So now what we have to do is that we are going to ask the AI to summarize the post. So let's type something like summarize this post. Summarize this post. Just give a prompt like this and then click on send. It is going to summarize everything for you. You can see it has summarized everything. So now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy, come back on X again, click on post. Once you click on it, click right here, post. As you can see, that has been done. So let's delete this part of the text, delete everything, just delete this. Once you have your post, you can add a call to action right here. You can see this is a call to action. Now what you have to do is that you have to come back on Clickbank and then get your affiliate link so that you can insert it in your post. So copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, search for tiny URL. So search for tiny URL. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Click on the first link. Once you click on it, paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, you have to shorten the link so that you can be able to add it in your post. So just wait for it to verify. Once it is verified, click on shorten URL. Once you click on it, it has been shortened. Now click right here, copy so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you have to come back on X and then paste your affiliate link right here. Paste your shortened affiliate link right here. Once that is done, click on post. Once you click on it, your post, you can see your post was sent. Click on view. Once you click on it, you can see your post is live on X and many people are going to see it. Some are going to see it through search and your followers can see it. So make sure you keep on posting. Just keep on posting and then grow your followers so that you can be earning money consistently on X. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.